Good afternoon and welcome back to another week of math. So, today we are going to solve word problems involving the total value of a group of coins. So, we're going to start off by completing our read, draw, write problem. It says Danny has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies. What is the total value of Danny's coins? It also says show 2 different ways that Danny might add to find the total. So now that we've read the problem, we're going to go ahead and illustrate exactly what the problem is saying. So we're going to draw our 2 dimes. We're also going to draw our 1 quarter, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies. All right. So now what I could do, I could organize my coin from the greatest value to the coin that has the least value, in which I would start with the quarter, then the dimes, and the nickels, and the pennies. I can also label the coins by writing the amount underneath, or I can add the coins together that are the same, that are alike. So 2 dimes will be 20 cents because a dime is worth 10 cents. So if I had 2 of them, I would count by 10s, 10, 20. I know that a quarter is 25 cents. 3 nickels, what do we count by when we're working with nickels? 5. 5, 10, 15 cents. And I also have 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents, because a penny is worth 1 cent. Now, I can make this easy by making a number sentence with all of the coins' values. So I would say 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 5. Okay? So I know that this I can do mentally. 20 plus 25 will give me what? 45. 15 plus 5 will give me 20. So now, all I will have to do is add 45 plus 20. I'm going to put that here. And that gives me a total of 65 cents. So then I could write my sentence. The total value of Danny's coins is 65 cents. I'm going to squeeze it up here. The total value of Danny's coins is 65 cents. All right. Now we're not done. This is a 2-part question. They want us to show 2 different ways that Danny might add to find the total. So we showed one way here in which we added the like coins together. And now we can show another way down here. So we have 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 5. We could use the arrow way. We can start with the highest amount and say 25 and add 2 more 10s, which will give us 45. And then we could make a friendly number by adding the 5 to get 50. And then we can take out the 10 from 15 and get 60, and the 5 left from 15, and we get 65. So here's another way that you can add to find Danny's total. You don't necessarily have to do it the two ways that I did. There are several different ways that you can add to find the total. So we're going to continue to work with solving some word problems. Some of these word problems have more than one step. All right, so remember today's objective, I can solve word problems involving the total value of a group of coins. So we're going to look at number 1. It says, Nico has 3 dimes and 2 nickels in one pocket and 1 quarter and 7 pennies in another pocket. How much money is in Nico's pocket? So remember, we're going to use the RDW model when we are solving our problem. So we will read the problem, we're going to draw and label, write a number sentence, and write a statement. So we've already read the problem. So now is our time to draw and label. Okay? So we're going to talk about his pockets. So think about, what can we draw? Yep, we can draw 2 pockets. We can draw 1 pocket with 3 dimes and 2 nickels, and another pocket with 1 quarter and 2 pennies. So let's do that now. Let's pretend that these are his pockets. It's 1 pocket. In the first pocket, it has 3 dimes and 2 nickels. Okay, see that? And in his other pocket, it has 1 quarter, 7 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So we have our drawing. What are we trying to find out? Right, we need to find out how much money or how much Nico has in both pockets. We need to find the total value of the coins. We need to find the total in pocket 1 and the total in pocket 2, and then add them. So go ahead and do that. I'll give you some time to do that. And write a number, sentence, and statement to match your work. Okay? So for the first pocket, I can count 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So there's 40 cents in this pocket. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There's 32 cents in this pocket. So my number sentence will be the following: 40 cents plus 32 cents equals, right, 72 cents. So we can write Nico has 72 cents in his pockets. All right. Awesome job. We could have also represented this problem with the tape diagram as well. We could say that this is one part, which would have been one pocket, 40 cents, and then this would have been another part, 32, and we were looking to find the whole. Okay? Now we're going to try a more challenging problem. Look at problem number 2. Tamika has 12 pennies and 2 quarters in her new piggy bank. She puts in 4 nickels, 1 dime, and 4 more pennies. How much money does Tamika have in her bank altogether? So we've read the problem together. Now we're going to draw a picture. I'm going to try my best to draw a piggy bank. All right. So here's my piggy bank. So I'm going to put 12 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pennies. Put my P to represent penny. And then I'm going to draw 2 quarters. Okay. So when she started, how much money did she have in her piggy bank? Let's count. 25.50. We know that there's 6 pennies at the top, so we can say 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So before Tamika put in more money, she had 62 cents in her piggy bank. Now it says she puts in 4 nickels. One dime. And 4 more pennies. So now we can add how much she put in, starting with the 4 nickels. So we can start with the dime. 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 31, 32, 33, 34 cents. So she started with 62 cents and she added 34 cents. So our number sentence will read 62 plus 34. We can do this mentally. We know that 2 ones and another 4 ones is 6 ones, and 6 tens and 3 tens equals 9 tens. So Tamika has a total of 96 cents altogether. Now, I don't have much room to write my sentence, but if I were to write my sentence, it would say, maybe I can squeeze it down here. Tamika has 96 cents in her piggy bank. And if you want, you can go back and check your work by counting the coins all together, starting with the largest value, 25.50, 60, 65.70, 75.80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96 cents. Okay? Now let's do one more problem together. Problem number 3. Okay, remember, we're going to read the problem first. Now, this is a 2-step problem. It says, on Monday, Reese gives 2 dimes and 3 nickels to her sister. On Tuesday, she gives her sister 1 quarter, 1 dime, and 4 pennies. If Reese started with 94 cents, how much money does she have now? All right, so we read the problem. Now, what can we draw first? Yep, we can draw 2 groups of coins, one for Monday and one for Tuesday. So let's start with the coins for Monday. 2 dimes, 3 nickels. So these were Monday's coins. And then on Tuesday, it says 1 quarter, 1 dime, 4 pennies. Here are Tuesday's coins. Okay, make sure you're drawing with me. What are we trying to find? Yep, we need to find the total value of all the coins Reese gave to her sister. Then we need to subtract the total from 94 cents. We need to add the 2 groups of coins first, but then we need to subtract to see how much she has left. So again, it says if Reese started with 94 cents, how much money does she have now? So we need to add the number of coins, the amount of coins she gave her sister on Monday first. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So on Monday, she gave her sister 35 cents. Remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents. Tuesday, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 cents. Quarters are worth 25. Dimes are worth 10. Pennies are worth 1. So now we need to add 35 plus the 39. And if I wanted to put that in a number bond, I have one part, I have another part, and I'm looking for the whole. Okay? All right. So let's add the money from from Monday and Tuesday. And you can do it your own way and tell somebody how or why you decided to use that particular strategy. So for me, if I wanted to use this number bond, I'm going to take 1 from the 35 and give it to the 39. So I'll make a new number sentence, and this time I will have 40. 40 plus 34, which I can do mentally. 40 plus 34 will be 74. So I know that Reese gave her sister 74 cents. Again, I took 1 from the 35 to make a friendly number, and I had 34 left. So my new number sentence was 40 plus 34, which gave me 74 cents. We're not done yet because they don't want to know how much money she gave her sister. They want to know if she started with 94 cents, how much money does she have now? So that means this time we need to subtract 74 from the 94. So now our new number sentence will be 94 minus 74. We could also solve this with mental math, but I'm going to direct your attention up here. I'm going to do the arrow way really fast. So I'm going to start with 74, and I'm going to count up to 94. So I added 10, and I got 84. I added another 10, and I get 94. So it took me 2 10s to get to 94, which is 20. So 94 minus 74 equals 20. You can also look at it with the 4 minus 4 in the ones place. 4 ones minus 4 ones, you have no ones left. 9 10s minus 7 10s, you will have 2 10s left. So to answer the question, it was says Reese has 20 cents left. Okay, so we can say, and I'll squeeze that up here as well, Reese has 20 cents left. Got it? Great job. You can have more practice with solving 1- and 2-step word problems involving coins by completing your problem set and your exit ticket on our second grade Instagram page. Enjoy the rest of your day.